front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of your device's themes. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch it off or on and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings by tapping on the color palette again. And this time, instead of using one of those system themes, click on plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!